How to tag someone on Facebook photo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can tag someone on your Facebook photo, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to tag someone on your Facebook photo, it's actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and first of all open up Facebook. Once you open the Facebook app, just come to your profile page so that you can see all of the people and everything else over here. So I'll just select this photo over here where it says view profile cover, right? This is a profile cover, and now let's say I want to tag some people in it. On that specific photo, tap the three dots option, tap on the edit button over here. Now if you don't find it, because this is my cover photo, I'll just go ahead and select some other photo here, tap the three dots, select edit post option. Over here you'll find this little tag button from the bottom, tap on it, just select the people you want to tag here. Once you select the people you want to tag, you can just save the changes, come back, tap the save option from the top right, and those people are going to get tagged inside your Facebook photo. Let's say you want to tag this person over here, you can just select them over here and then you'll be able to tag them accordingly as well. That's all it takes to go ahead and then tag someone on your Facebook photo. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.